Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over a product overview of our Z31 300ZX quick steering knuckles. We're going to be going over what's included, our construction of the steering knuckles, and our QC process, as well as a base setting to get us started. So what's included? Really simple, a pair of steering knuckles. So you get a pair of the billet steel steering knuckles. They're zinc plated, so for corrosion resistance, and they're made out of steel, so you can throw pretty much any set of abuse on them as you can. Now, we call them quick steering knuckles because they are actually 10 millimeters shorter than the factory, allowing you to get a little more angle, a little more aggressive with steering. Now, you also have a secondary hole here, which is a 30 millimeters shorter than factory. Now, this is where you get really aggressive. This is for your track use, maybe some entry-level drift use, and more aggressive like road racing or autocross racing. It's a 30 millimeter setting. Now, something to note is we highly recommend against using that on the highway. It gets very twitchy on the highway because your ratio of your steering is going to be very, very frantic, and it's going to be very quick on the highway at higher speeds. So we do recommend the 10 millimeters shorter for most daily driving, a little bit of racing and all that. If you can exclusively track your vehicle, the 30 millimeter one could be something that you benefit from. And finally, we're going to be going over our QC process. QC process on something like this is relatively simple because they all are CNC machined. Overall, there's not a lot that we have to measure out. However, we want to always measure out the center bores with a micrometer, that we always want to engage that is going to be always the same as the factory, as well as the tapers. Now we have a taper gauge that we check both the holes. We want to make sure they're not loose, they're very tight. A quick simple turn ensures that they're very tight to taper. And the same thing goes with the factory one. And the other part that we QC is going to be the ball joint stud itself. For the ball joint, want to make sure that that's nice and tight. And the same thing goes to the factory. All right. So between the QC of the bore, the ball joints, and the tie rod ends, this concludes the QC process that we have in place on these. Now these fit the both Apex engineered control arms as well as the factory control arms, and the Apex engineered tie rods as well as the factory tie rods. You do not have to modify the steering knuckle or their factory items as well. That concludes our Z31 quick steering knuckle product overview. If you have any other questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to answer you. Thanks again.